Hi there, this video is specially dedicated to all our teachers, trainers and educationists. A lot of time it does happen that we have a lot of good resources at our disposal for our students, but the basic problem arises when it is the talk to grab the students' attention. So many a times classes become a lot noisy, and if you are a teacher and facing the same issue when imparting education to your students from online lecture, this video is a must for you. Here we will be talking about how to grab attention of your students and keep them engaged the entire time. So here I am presenting 5 important ways in which you can keep your students attentive on the other side of the screen. First way, get creative. Now is the time to have a little fun with your students. Even in online classroom, listening to one single monotone can be boring. We need to spice up our lessons for the students. Here are few ideas so that you can keep your students stick to your lessons. First, have a theme for each session. For example, one day you can keep a Disney theme, so every student will log into your class to come and see what others came up with. On this note, the lecture will be starting at a very creative point. Next, use a fun background. Zoom makes it easy to customize your background screen, whether it be your favorite color or it can be a vacation spot. You can try on these lectures and make the lecture interesting. Next point, just like a classroom, you can begin your class by showing a question. Let the students discuss and decide among themselves what it is going to involve. Next, assign a PowerPoint project. You can assign projects to your students so that this becomes fun and you can easily recognize the most creative mind of your classrooms. Have students vote on the answers. Students can use different types of emojis or emoticons to vote. This will make your class interesting. Make everyone show their faces, including yourself. Staring at a black screen isn't fun, and it is not engaging even for students and for teachers. You can make sure that everyone open their camera. As we do in our classroom, we eliminate the distracting element. We have to do the same in the online class. Begin your online lectures with visual input. As a student, whether it was middle school or college, online lectures are very boring. Many of us must have even dozed off the theory lectures. And so, I am personally recommending you. Just theory lectures are quite boring. So you can start and begin your lessons with a visual input, like you can use placards or a short video of the topic that you are going to teach in your lecture. So that in this way, students will get a brief idea what they are going to study and it will improve their learning skills. Keep your online lecture video short and sweet. Just like in classroom learning, don't let your lectures drag on. Keep them short and sweet, to the point, and plenty of time left for discussion. Watching screen can particularly be very draining. So, if you keep your lectures short and interesting, people will come and watch your lecture more. If you give a proper discussion time for the students, it will be quite good. Today we talked about various ways in which you can increase the engagement rate of your students in your lectures. So what are you waiting for? The next time you conduct lectures for your online class, do try them on and let us know your favorite method in our comment section. And do tell which one worked the most in your class. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos.